Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is 3 ways to gain psychological stability. If the flow of energy is good in fortune, psychological stability is also good. Psychological stability is good when the energy needed in fortune is evenly distributed, but most people don't. In its own way, we are all living in psychological instability. Sometimes it's good to see the flow of energy in your fortune, and if you have all the energy you need, you can see that you are living well in peace without the desire to fill the shortage. Perhaps our lack and insecurity could serve as a springboard for a new creation. I don't remember what kind of a book it was, but I remember this story. It looks like a fisherman can get rich if he works a little bit more, but he does a little bit of work. The fisherman is spending the rest of his time with his family. One person who saw it asked the fisherman why he worked a little when he could be rich. The fisherman asked back, "What do you want to do when you become rich?" He replied, "I want to have a happy evening party with my family at the beach every day." The fisherman's words were really the best. The fisherman said, "Why should I be rich when I'm already doing that?" The fisherman in the story seems to be a peaceful fortune with a good flow of energy in his fortune and all his energy. I think it's not big that we live so hard in the end, but small happiness, but precious happiness. And it seems that psychological stability can be a lever to the desired happiness. So, what are the ways to achieve psychological instability? First, I want to recommend walking. Walking is the most basic human movement, and it can be seen as a very natural full body workout. It is the best exercise to induce the natural flow of energy. Many people overcome depression by walking, succeed in dieting, and many people come up with many ideas while walking. Secondly, I would like to recommend writing. Writing is a way to look at yourself objectively. It is also a way to increase metacognition. If writing is burdensome, it is to quietly take time to reflect on yourself objectively in meditation. When you look back on yourself as if it were someone else's business, just as you give loving advice to a close friend, good advice will come to mind one day. Third, I'd like to recommend reading to listen to the advice of a respectful person. It is always possible to take his advice when someone you admire is around, but most do not. In this area of non-face-to-face, more people are recommending reading and online meetings. There are great people waiting for us in the book that we can't even think of meeting normally. So, what are the principles of the 3 methods? It's about letting your fortune run well with the input of new energy. In a passive way, it is also a good idea to find out the colors that correspond to the energy you need and to wear jewelry or clothes that correspond to the colors. It's also a good idea to hang a nice picture of the color. Now it's your turn to practice. There are things you want to do, but are heavy hearts blocking you? Lighten up your mind in the 3 ways above, and I hope you live your best life with all your strength. Thank you.